Find yourself a quiet place to sit or lie. Just take a few moments to make sure you'll be warm and comfortable. Allow your body to settle, and if you wish, you may close your eyes. Now take a slow, deep breath in. Hold it just for a moment, and then slowly breathe it out. And as you breathe out, feel any tension in your body beginning to release with your breath. Take another slow, deep breath in. Hold it just for a moment, and slowly breathe it out again, emptying your lungs completely. Take one more slow, deep breath in. Hold it, and slowly let it out again. Continue now to breathe slowly and steadily, feeling your body relax a little bit more with each out breath. Now imagine yourself walking towards the sea on an empty, deserted beach. The sun is shining and feels warm on your skin. You hear the waves gently lapping on the shore. As you draw closer to the water's edge, you smell the sea air, breathing in and out its coolness. You feel a cool breeze blowing against your face, your arms, your body, your legs. You decide to sit down at the water's edge and cast your gaze across the water, taking in the varied colours of the sea, which reflect the colour of the sky above. The sea is calm, but never still, and your eyes watch the constantly changing movement of the waves, their gentle peaks and troughs. Your mind becomes quieter as you begin to focus all your attention on this unceasing, almost restless movement of the sea. You feel yourself becoming as one with the water. You feel yourself becoming more calm and more relaxed. Your breath simply ebbing and flowing with the ebb and flow of the little waves as they slowly, almost lazily, make their way towards you up the beach, and just as slowly retreat back out to sea. Your mind and body are now totally absorbed by the sea. For this moment, and for all subsequent moments, nothing else seems to matter or even exist. Everything fades to the distance. There is only you and the sea. So stay here for a while, simply being at one with the sea. And now it's time to leave the sea, but taking with you the calmness and centeredness you feel now. Bring your awareness back into your body, feeling your body in contact with the ground beneath you. Start listening to the sounds you hear around you. Take 1 or 2 slow, deep breaths. And slowly begin to move your body, wriggling your fingers and your toes. Move your hands and your feet, your arms and legs. Stretch your body out now, or just move whichever way feels good for you. And if you are lying down, roll onto your side. Pause for a few moments, and then come up to sitting. Now rub your legs to warm yourself up again. Rub your arms to energize yourself once more. Rub your palms together to generate some heat in the palms of your hands. Then place that warmth over your open eyes. Look into the darkness. Breathe that warmth deep down inside you. And have a good thought for somebody, something, or for yourself. And thank you.